Hi. What you're about to hear is a 6-meter band opening on June 1st by my friend Alan N3ALN. November 3, Alpha Lima November. Alan is his name. He is working a 6-meter E, and he is racking up some contacts. He doesn't know that I'm recording him, so this is not a planned recording.
Okay, very good. I guess the name is Steven, and I think we had a Q show back in 04, 12/8/04. We'll get to talk to you again. And the name here is Alan in Fox Mary 19 FM19 Maryland, November 9, Uniform Delta Oscar, November 3, Alpha Lima November. Okay, very good, Stephen. Yeah, good to talk to you again, and gotta love it when this band's open. It's the best. So, November 9, Uniform Delta Oscar, November 3, Alpha Lima, November 7-3, and QRZ. November 9, Alpha Bravo Radio, November 3, Alpha Lima, November. Okay, QSL Carter, the name here is Alan, Alpha Lima Alpha November, and located in Fox Mary 19, and you're about a 5'7", here in Maryland. And good signal. And anyway, Carter, I got to get out of here. I got to get some dinner. But hey, I appreciate the contact. And 7-3, November 9, Alpha Bravo Radio, November 3, Alpha Lima November. I'm going to be QRT and 7-3.